Hello everybody, my name is Corbin. I'm the current museum attendant working and living on the summit of Mount Washington. Please come join me as we will learn the ins and outs of what it's like to be a museum attendant on the tallest mountain in the Northeast. Okay, so here we are down in the Summit Museum. All of the exhibits are functioning properly and are ready for viewing. One may be curious about what you're going to see in the museum on the top of Mount Washington. How about the original anemometer that recorded 231 mile per hour wind on April 12, 1934? Or check out the beautiful flora and fauna species that make up the White Mountain region and call this place home. Can't see a view from the summit? Well, come on down to the museum where we have a full panoramic view of the fall and winter seasons from on top of Mount Washington. This is what you would normally see on a clear day. Speaking of views, there are plenty of other sights to see within our museum gift shop. Come check out things like our Nimbus stuffed animal, or our very warm -33 socks, or maybe even a weather and hiking journal. Interested in becoming a member of the observatory? Come stop by and take a pamphlet and learn more about the benefits.
One of those benefits is getting station tours of the Mount Washington Observatory. You can come see all the instrumentation and the work we do on a daily basis, as well as an insight into what those instruments do, and get a nice view at the top of the observation tower as well.
Headed back out on trail, we'll come check out our current summit conditions as well as our observation deck webcam so you can understand what the temperature and the wind speed is like outside so you can make the safest and most comfortable decision while recreating in the White Mountains. All right, that wraps up a day on the summit. Thanks for hanging out with me in the museum. Hopefully I was able to educate you a little bit on the ins and outs of the Mount Washington Observatory. If you would like to learn more, feel free to come up and visit us anytime.